Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting into the drawing with actionable steps. Select the objects you want to change, then open the Properties palette using Properties or Control+1. Do this now so options load for your selection. Once selected, inspect the top fields, Layer, Color, Line Type, because changing them here affects all chosen objects. Make sure layers aren't locked, otherwise edits won't apply. This initial setup saves time and prevents silent failures when you modify values in the next steps. Now you proceed to the detailed edits. Use the Properties palette to change geometry and display attributes. For precision, type numeric values into fields like length or radius, or use grips for visual adjustments. Either method updates the drawing immediately. If you change layer or line type, Autocad recalculates appearance to maintain consistency. Once done, check object coordinates and measurement fields to confirm accuracy. Make sure to toggle dynamic input if you prefer inline numeric entry for faster, repeatable edits. Finish by confirming all edits and applying them across the drawing. Use MatchProp to propagate settings to similar objects. Save a version before broad changes so you can revert if needed. If edits don't appear, make sure the layer isn't frozen, objects aren't isolated, and run region to refresh the display. One key troubleshooting tip: if properties still won't change, check for block definitions or external references. Those require edits at the source rather than the inserted instance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.